Hi everybody, I'm Rayalina, your makeup guru and licensed esthetician of 20 years. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about rosacea. This is a really common, probably more common than you realize, skin condition. It affects about 16 million people in the US alone. So what is it? Okay, it isn't just redness in the skin. A lot of people think it's just if you have red skin, but there could be redness caused by a variety of different reasons. So rosacea is a chronic inflammation of the skin. So it's characterized by not only the redness, but having those dilation of blood vessels, in more extreme cases, the pustules, the blemishes and that you can get as well. Sometimes it shows up in the chin and the cheeks, okay? But it's chronic congestion and inflammation to the skin. We know that the triggers for rosacea are spicy foods, caffeine, extreme heat can affect its stress. But did you know actually sun, just in general, is a big factor of negatively impacting rosacea? So I am actually going to break down my best regimen and recommendations, what to, now that we know what it is and what to avoid, what can you do about it and what can you use to help it? So you're going to want to choose a gentle cleanser. You want to have a targeted treatment for the inflammation. You absolutely want to have a moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated, but also majorly important, a mineral-based sunscreen, okay? We'll get to that in a minute. First, I'm just going to walk you through some of my favorite products. If you're just getting started with a regimen, we know that, you really want to avoid things like, synthetic fragrances, really any fragrance, even all natural fragrances that are just really strong. You're gonna want to avoid that, okay? So minimal, if not like no fragrance to your products. And just avoiding harsh chemicals is going to be really important. Same with like exfoliation. Exfoliation can be very difficult with rosacea because it's like your skin needs to be exfoliated, but it can be very difficult to find one. So you want to avoid any type of salicylic, lactic, any type of scrubbing to the skin. Maybe if you have a very mild case, you could use like a jojoba bead. That's like a naturally spherical bead, so that it would be gentle. But really any type of manual exfoliation for most people with rosacea is just something that you really want to avoid, okay? So what I would recommend doing, start by getting your cleanser right. This one is called Quench Cleanse. It has sunflower oil, which is really nice and soothing to the skin. It's going to help with the inflammation. It has a blend of vegetable oils and as well as Ferrara fruit seed. So just a nice botanical blend. If you look at it, it's not going to get like a gel foaming cleanse to it. It's more of a lotion base. So very creamy, very soothing, going to leave your skin feeling calm and hydrated. Okay. The next thing I would recommend is this product right here called the Super Oil. Now this is a newer product at Lime Life, just in the last few months, and I'm absolutely loving it. Just for having a balanced hydration in the skin, but also specifically for rosacea, because listen to this, it has noni seed oil, which is an anti-inflammatory. That means it reduces inflammation, redness. It has something called balanites seed oil, which brightens. It helps improve the tone. So definitely if you have like redness, you want to reduce that, and you also want your tone to be more even. It has argan oil, which we know is very soothing and calming. So just the blend of oils that's in this, it's only going to take a drop, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy either. So I think it's the perfect type of oil to use for rosacea, okay? Skin therapy. This is another really nice, soothing, calming product. It has oat bran in it, which we know is a good one for sensitive, inflamed skin, very lightweight. And then lastly, this mineral-based zinc oxide SPF here. Okay, so this too is lightweight. You're not going to see it like sitting on the surface of the skin at all with like that white cast. It blends in really evenly and has just a light coconut oil to it, okay? Now, with exfoliation, I'm going to be honest, with Lime Life products, we do not have an enzyme exfoliant, and that is probably my number one. So enzymes can be anything from pumpkin, which would be way too harsh for rosacea, to like you could use like a papaya, pineapple, something that's a little gentler. But the reason why I would choose that is because it is designed to just focus on, you know, eating away at the dead skin cells, which are called corneocytes, in case you didn't know that. That means they're just the dead skin that sits on the surface versus going super deep. So it's just gonna kind of like, those enzymes just kind of eat away that top layer there, making it, you know, just enough for a rosacea skin to not get super irritated, okay? You may experience a little bit of heat from that or a little bit of redness, but I think the benefits outweigh not doing an exfoliant at all, because exfoliation is going to help your cell turnover rate. It's anti-aging. It's going to help all your other products penetrate better. So I will link my favorite enzyme one for rosacea in the comments. And again, you just have to use caution anytime you're exfoliating with rosacea skin. But I hope that this was helpful. I love that we can do this in a bundle, your cleanser and moisturizer. And these ones are sold separate. So you can kind of start slowly if you want and just introduce a couple at a time, and then work your way from there. But that is all today on rosacea. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me directly or comment.